Hello students, I am Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in English, Standard 1. So let us see. Our topic name is phonics. Children, you know what do you mean by phonics? Phonics means the sound of letters. Want to know? So let us start. Children, in our English language, there are 26 alphabets starting from letter A to letter Z. In the beginning, from nursery or from your childhood days, you have heard the song. Yes or no? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Got it, children? You have learned this song. So, you know there are letters starting from A to Z. And in this A, E, I, O and U. They are called as vowels and remaining all are consonants. So, letter A, E, I, O and U are vowels. Today, we will see the rest all the letter, the consonants letter and the sounds of that. Children, here we start with the first letter and first letter is letter B. Capital letter B and small letter B. As you can see in the picture, the writing style of the letter B. Capital and small. Its sound is B, 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 B. Let's see the sound B in the words. Here is the beginning sound B, books, books, B, bank, bank, B, banana, banana, B, B, broom, broom. This is our next letter, letter C. Capital letter C and small letter C. As you can see in the picture, this way we write the letters. And its sound is k, 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 k. Repeat with me, k, k, k. Let's see the k sound in the words. Here, the beginning sound is k, k, candy, k, 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 cock, k, 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 candle, k, 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 coconut. Children, this is letter D. Capital letter D and small letter D. This way we write the letter. And its sound is D, D. Repeat with me, D, D, D. Let's see the D sound in the words. D, d, door. D, d, duck. D, d, duck. Here the beginning sound is d, 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 doll. D, 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 diamond. Children, here is our next letter, letter F. Capital letter F and small letter F. Its sound children, let's see the sound in the words. Here the beginning sound is fan. F, f, fan. F, f, family. F, family. Farmer. F, 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 farmer. F, f, fig. F, f, fig. Here is the next letter, letter G. Capital letter G and small letter G, as you can see in the picture. And its sound is G, 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 G. Repeat with me, G, G, G. Children, let's see the sound in the words. Here, the beginning sound is garden. G, g, garden. G, g, garden. G, g, goat. G, g, goat. G, g, game. G, g, game. Children, this is letter H. Capital letter H and small letter H. This is the way we write the letters. And its sound is here is the beginning sound half. Half. Repeat with me. Horse. Horse. Hut. Hut. Hen. Hen. Children, here is letter J. Capital letter J and besides small letter J. This is the way we write the letter and its sound is J, 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 J. Repeat with me, J, J, J. Let's see the of the letter J in the words. J, 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 jam. J, 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 joker. J, J, juice. J, 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 juice. Here is the letter K. Capital letter K and small letter K. This is the way we write the letter. And its sound is K, 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 K. Let's see the beginning sound in the words. Here the beginning sound is K, 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 kite. K, 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 kite. Repeat with me, children. K, 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 kiwi. K, 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 kiwi. Kids. 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 Children, here is the letter L. Capital letter L and small letter L. This is the writing style of the letter. And its sound is L, 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 L. Let's hear the beginning sound in the words. Here is the beginning sound lock, lock, l, l, lock, l, 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 lamb, l, l, lamb, l, l, laugh, l, l, laugh, l, l, laptop, l, l, laptop. Children, here is the letter M, capital letter M and small letter m. This is where we write the letter. And its sound is m, 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 m. Let's hear the sound in the words. M, 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 moon. Here the beginning sound is moon. M, m, moon. M, m, mobile, mobile. M, m, magic, magic. M, m, mother, mother. Here the beginning sound is mask, m, m, mask, mask. Children, here is the letter N, capital letter N and small letter n. This is the way we write the letter. And its sound n, 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 n. The beginning sound in the words. Here the beginning sound is n, nuts, n, n, nuts, n, n, night, n, n, night, n, n, net, n, n, net. Here the beginning sound is n, n, nature, n, n, nature. Children, here is the letter P, capital letter P and small letter p. This is the way we write the letter. And its sound is p, 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 p. Repeat with me. P, p, p. Let's hear the beginning sound in the words. Here the beginning sound is piano, p, p, piano, p, p. Pizza, p, p, pizza. Here is the beginning sound plant, p, p, plant. Here is letter Q, capital letter Q and small letter q. This way we write the letter Q. And its sound is qua, qua, qua. Repeat with me. Qua, qua, qua. Come on children, let's hear the sound in the words. Here the beginning sound is quill, qua, qua, quill, qua, qua, question, qua, qua, question. Quack, quack, whiz. Quack, quack, whiz. Here is our next letter, letter R. Capital letter R and small letter r. This is the way we write the letter R. Its sound is R, 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 R. Is the beginning sound R, R, rat, R, R, rocket, R, rain, R, R, rain. Children, here is the letter S. Capital letter S and small letter s. So, its sound is S, S, S. Here is the beginning sound S, S, sun, S, S, school, S, sunflower, S, S, star. Letter T. Capital letter T and small letter t. Here are both the letter, capital and small. Its sound is t, 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 t. Let's hear the sound in the words. T, t, t. Top. Here the beginning sound is top. T, t, t. Top. Tall, t, 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 tall. Tiger, t, 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 tiger. T, 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 tomato, t, 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 tomato. Here is the letter V, capital letter V and small letter v. This is the way we write the letter, capital and small. And the word sound is V, V, V. Let's hear the beginning sound in the words. Van, v, van, valley, valley, valley. Repeat with me, valley. Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. Here the beginning sound is vegetables, vegetables. Here is the letter W, capital letter W and small letter w. This is the way we write the letter W. And its sound is V, V, V. Repeat with me, V, V, V. Let's hear the sound in the words. Here the beginning sound is wolf, wolf, v, v, wolf, walk, walk, v, v, walk, wall, wall. Here the beginning sound is wall, v, v, wall. Here is the letter X, capital letter X and small letter x. This is the way we write the letter X and its sound X, X, X. The sound X, X-ray, X-ray. Here is the letter Y. Capital letter Y and small letter y. This is the way we write the letter Y. And its sound is Y. 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 The sound in the words. Here is the beginning sound yak. Yak. Y. Y. Yak. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y. Y. Yo-yo. This is letter Z. The last letter. Capital letter Z and the small letter Z. This is the way we write letter Z. And it sounds Z, 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 Z. Beginning sound in the words. Zebra. Here is the beginning sound zebra. Z, z, zebra. Z, zoo. Here is the beginning sound zoo. 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 Here is the beginning sound zip. 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 Let's see the activity. Come on children, we will see what is the activity for you. Children, here is your activity. Circle the letter which has the beginning sound. So children, you are having a picture. You have to see, guess the picture correctly and circle the beginning sound. So the picture is correct, B. So the beginning sound is B. B, B. So you have to circle letter B. Circle the letter which has the beginning sound. Children, here is letter J and letter M. And the picture is of jelly. Correct. So the beginning sound is J. Jelly. So you have to circle letter J. Let's see next. Here is the letter P and letter K. And the picture is pig. So it starts with the letter P. Pig. So you have to circle letter P. The beginning sound is letter P. Let's see. Here is the letter L and T. And the picture is a cup of tea. So it starts with the letter T. And the beginning sound is T. T. So you have to circle letter T. Have you got it, children? Next, come on children. Now we will see what is your homework for today. Let's see. Match the picture to the letter that makes the beginning sound. Now children, you will see on my left side there are the pictures and on my right side there are the beginning letters. So you have to match the correct picture with the letter. So first, the picture of a dog. So we will match D, dog. D, D, dog. Second, M, mango. Third, P, P, pen. So children, have you got it? Now let's see the next. Here again, you have to match with the correct pictures and the letter. So the first picture is girl. It starts with the letter G and the sound is G. G. So we have to match it. Second picture is B. Ball. And third picture is K. K. Cat. So children, you have understood now the beginning sound of the letter and you have matched it correctly. Thank you children. I hope so. This video is interesting for you.